The pigeonhole principle. The pigeonhole principle states that given n and m are integers, and n is greater than m, so n is bigger than m, if n pigeons fly into m pigeonholes, then one pigeonhole will contain two or more pigeons. So let's explain what this principle basically says, right? So they're talking about pigeonholes and pigeons. So think of pigeons as like birds and pigeonholes are like the houses. So what would happen if 5 pigeons try to land in 4 houses? So here's 1 house, 2, 3, and 4. If 5 pigeons go into these houses, here's one possible scenario. The first pigeon hangs out here, the second pigeon hangs out in the second house, the third pigeon in the third house, the fourth pigeon in the fourth house. So these pigeons are very like antisocial. They don't want to hang out together. So each one of them takes a different pigeonhole. And now the fifth one wants to come and live in one of these houses. Well, where can that other pigeon live? It does not matter where. What we will know is that regardless of which pigeonhole it picks, that pigeon is going to be sharing a house with another pigeon. So maybe they decide to get in the third house. Well, we now have that one house has 2 pigeons. If they go in the first house, then we'll know that one house has 2 pigeons. Now, that's one possible scenario. So if 5 pigeons try to fly into 4 pigeonholes, then one of the pigeonholes will have to share multiple pigeons. That's what this means. Now, it doesn't have to be that way. For example, you could have 4 houses again, and maybe these pigeonholes are popular. Maybe all the pigeons are social beings and they all want to hang out together. So the first one comes in here, and then the second one, the third one, the fourth one, and maybe there's another pigeon that's antisocial. He wants to hang out alone. So still, the pigeonhole still applies because it's saying that one of the pigeonholes, it doesn't matter which one, has 2 or more pigeons. And in this case, the third pigeonhole is the one that contains 2 or more pigeons.